Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can decorate your graduation cap for under $5. So over here I just have your average graduation cap. And then I have this glitter paper that I got from Michaels. It was $2. And then I got these stickers from Michaels and this was $4.20. However, if you shop in Michaels, they almost always have 50% off a regular price item. So I used that on this glitter paper and got it for $1 instead of $2. And I used it on this, which was $4.20, so I got it for $2.10 instead. And then I also went to Dollar Tree and I found these stars. So I'm gonna see if these look good or not, but this is $1 at Dollar Tree. So this is about $3 and that's $1. So the first step is to cut this to the size of your hat. So here is mine, so I'll cut it out to this size and then show you what to do next. I think it's best if you turn the glitter paper upside down and then line your hat up with the corner and then outline it with pencil and then cut along the lines. So now I'm going to flip this over and I cut a little bit extra and then at the end I just trimmed it out. So you're going to make a line like this and find the center so we can make a hole in it. So in the back I made a hole with the X-Acto knife, and then with these scissors over here I made the hole wider, and then I just placed it onto the cap and pushed it down. And now using the X-Acto knife I'm pushing it in and I'm going to cut the excess off and clean it up. So I flipped it over and now I'm going to clean this part up. So the hole isn't perfect, but it will do. So the letters are actually not that sticky, so I laid them out over here just to see how they look, and then I'll probably glue them on. And then I also cut out these stars, and they are actually stickers, which is good. So I'll just lay them out and see how they look. So I'm gonna say that I'm extremely impressed with the Dollar Tree stickers. So this was really easy to pull off and put on here. I was afraid that all of these would be separate and it would take me years to put this on and I would mess it up anyways, but it was actually really easy. The Michaels ones, these are all super loose, and even though they're supposed to be stickers, none of them are sticking well. They're all gonna fall off if I move this. So I'm glad I was able to lay it out first. However, it's annoying that they aren't stickers, so I'll probably have to glue them on. I tried this disappearing purple Elmer's glue stick, but that's not working well, so I'll probably try hot gluing these on and see how it works. So here is the finished cap. I have to check how my tassel fits, and I might have to make the hole slightly bigger. But other than that, I think it turned out really good. The Michaels letters, because they weren't sticky, I had to hot glue each letter, and that was kind of hard. So I wish the stickers worked, but otherwise, I'm really glad how this turned out. And my cutting wasn't perfect, but it's not really noticeable.